G'day and welcome to Street Spec TV. Today we're heading to Ringwood, one of Melbourne's beautiful northeastern suburbs. We're heading to Harley Heaven, one of Melbourne's premier Harley Davidson dealerships, putting on a display of Vicla motorcycles. For those that don't know, a Vicla is a very particular type of highly customised Harley Davidson. It's a beautiful day, there should be plenty of bikes there, so let's get out there and check it out.
Some highway east of Omaha, you can listen to the engine moaning out his one-note song. You can think about the woman or the girl you knew the night before. But your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do when you're riding 16 hours and there's nothing much to do, and you don't feel much like riding, you just wish the trip was through. See, here I am on the road again, there I am up on the stage. Here I go, playing star again. There I go, turn the page. Well, you walk into a restaurant, strung out from the road, and you feel the eyes upon you as you're shaking off the cold. You pretend it doesn't bother you, but you just want to explode. Most times you can't hear them talk, other times you can. All the same old cliches. Is that a woman or a man? And you always seem outnumbered, you don't dare make a stand. Here I am on the road again, there I am up on the stage. Here I go, playing star again. There I go, turn the page. Company, always on the run. Destiny is a rising sun. Oh, I was born, 6 gun in my hand. Behind a gun, I'll make my final stand. Hey, that's why they call me bad company, and I can deny bad company till the day I die. Rebel souls, deserters we are called.
a gun and threw away the sun. Now these times